I'm going to just show a couple of shots, nighttime shots, some sample shots, and get this thing going. It's showtime! Hey, I'm Fish. I'm trying to get back to my old school stuff, and I just got everything right about where I want it. And I hope you kind of understand if you like this type of intro and outro to my videos that I am going to be making. Now I shoot with the DJI Action 3 and a Logitech microphone, and I use a Ulanzi MT08, which is busted. And yeah, I do a great job indeed. So I hope I didn't bore you with the videos I'm showing and just showing you my, old school intro outro.
Don't forget to rate, comment, show some love!
Alright, time to pack this up, and maybe the next video will be a little bit better. It's something that you may be interested in, so come on back.
Have a good one.